Creative and stylish DIY headboard ideas to transform your bedroom. A headboard is more than just a functional piece of bedroom furniture. It's an opportunity to express your personal style and make a bold statement in your bedroom decor. If you're looking to refresh your space without breaking the bank, a DIY headboard project could be the perfect solution. Here are some creative and stylish DIY headboard ideas to inspire your next home decor project. Rustic wooden pallet headboard. One of the most popular trends in DIY headboards is the rustic wooden pallet headboard. This style brings a warm, earthy feel to your bedroom and can be customized to suit any size bed. To create this headboard, you'll need wooden pallets, sandpaper, wood stain or paint, and a few basic tools. Here's a step-by-step guide. Materials needed: wooden pallets, sandpaper, wood stain or paint, brushes, screws and a drill. Steps: disassemble the wooden pallets and sand down the boards to remove any rough edges. Stain or paint the boards to your desired color. Arrange the boards horizontally or vertically behind your bed.